collecting the rainwater. And it comes down, it goes into that gutter that you see there. And from the gutter, let me flip this, give y'all a better view. So yeah, that's the top. So I'm talking about the gutter, if you don't know what I'm talking about, right here. So the water runs down from the top of that, goes down through there, comes through this pipe, boom, 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 goes right through there, and it goes in through that tank right there. Bomb. That's about 145 liter tank. So yeah, could water everything on our allotment. If we had everything filled, complete all the beds, stuff growing in, that would be enough water to water everything and stuff in the greenhouse as well. So the well water, got a few wells actually, 2 on this side. But they lock off the well, you know, probably the end of summer, and they don't turn it back on to March. And they just allow the rain to fill it up. But the water smells, it's disgusting. It has a whole bunch of things in there. What I mean, a whole bunch of things in there. Like, there were a lot of slugs and stuff that I didn't realize was in here. And slugs into our fresh beds in the polytunnel. So no, I want to use rainwater. I want to use more purified water for the crops and the food that we're growing, you know. So you just think of all these different things, you know, that you could do just to enhance the quality of food that you're producing here. And I feel, maybe other people feel different, I feel that rainwater is going to be the best. That's great. One try?
Yeah. I like it. Cold, but amazing. It takes my 2 tongues.
That's it. Simple.